We have a trading strategy that implements a solid risk management system. First, we must attach our oscillator, the Keltner channel indicator, with an EMA period of 50, an ATR period of 15, and a multiplier of 2. Then, let's set our Williams percentage range to 5. Now we can trade with our method. And let's not forget our Binary Sniper Pro version 3.4 indicator, which has enhanced our trading system, making it successful. We use the binary risk management tool to lessen trading risk and have daily trading targets and stop loss. You must have this tool to monitor your past trades and avoid making too many losses. Even without a proper strategy, with risk management, it is easy to trade with the proper trading mindset. With these methods, we can clearly see our monthly target. It is percentage-based and limits your daily trades. In my experience, trading 5 to 10 times per day is sufficient for a daily trading session. Overdoing it will allow greed to take over. Always make the right choice by trading with a professional mindset. We received a trading alert from our Binary Sniper Pro, AUD, USD, a sell alert signal. As we can see, there is no corresponding trend or reversal to support this trade. Therefore, let us avoid trading with it. Another confirmation alert, USD, CAD, a buy signal. Let's check its market situation. It is not a good position to trade. We have filtering methods to ensure great results with our strategy. Make sure to use a 15-second time frame with a 1-minute trading duration. GBP, CHF, a sell alert confirmation. This is a good position and the best part of our trading method. The candle bar reaches our Keltner channel, while our Williams percentage range reaches the highest resistance level. It's the best time to reverse the trend and go lower. The trend is going down, and we hope for a winning trade with this setup. We got good trading results for that trade. It's best to always update the risk management sheet, as we have to maintain our trading balance above the specified stop loss of the day. We already have a $16 profit at this moment. We can close the trade for the day or we can continue, as long as we achieve our daily target of $5. We have Euro-USD, a buy alert confirmation. Let's check its actual market state. We're a bit late for this. The Williams percentage range already hit the bottom of its support level, while our candle bar here creates a reversal candle and is closer to the lowest Keltner band channel. Let's try to trade for it going higher. Got winning result for that trade. See the rest of the video and follow us for more trading strategies and trade safely with less risk.